And today, exploring other places. But first, a very exciting travel scene. That was also very exciting. Getting on the train. Lake. A castle. Getting off the train. Getting on the train. Going up the valley. And off the train, which is stuck. And we've arrived in Leysin. Going up. And here we are, summit number 1. Ooh! And from here we can see the challenge. Dun dun dun. Tarn! Looking for the start. Well, we found it. Time to gear up. All kitted up and ready to go. And doing the Via Ferrata. Long way down. Going up this bit. Good luck.
Santa got stuck in the chimney.
He began to shout.
You boys and girls won't get any toys.
Until you pull me out. And taking a rest. Just finishing the rest. Onwards.
Upwards.
Go. And we've reached the top of Tour Day. Woohoo! And here we are at the summit. And things we can see from the top. A bird. Valley. Mountains. A small lake. A bigger lake. A massive lake. And descending again. Going down the Via. And off the Via. Yeah, we did it. Going uphill again. Come on, last push. Yes. Well, I say last other than that bit. And actual last push. Hey, we did it. Going back down. Back at the bottom. Well, wasn't that a thoroughly, tremendously exciting adventure? Oh well. Time to go. And we've reached the top. Sorry, I didn't get there and try again. And we've reached the top of Tour Day.